Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa geometric means. Ang geometric means are the terms inserted between two non-consecutive terms of geometric sequence. Sa geometric sequence na ito, 3, 15, 75, ang tawag kay 15 ay geometric mean dahil siya yung term na in-insert sa pagitan ng dalawang hindi magkasunod na term ng geometric sequence. So usually, ganito ang tanong. Insert a geometric mean between 3 and 75. So meron tayong two methods. Ang unang method ay makukuha natin kaagad yung geometric mean. So mean is equal to positive or negative the square root of the product of the two given terms. So yung given terms natin, yung 3 at saka 75. So extract natin yung roots. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan at hindi na lumaki yung value, so actually this is square root of 225 and that will become positive negative 15. So another method, ito yung aking ginawa. Finactored out ko yung 75 which is 3 times 25 and then alam natin na yung 3 times 3 is 9. So square root of 9 is 3 and then square root of 25 is 5. So, 3 times 5 is 15. Ganun pa rin yung sagot. So, meron siyang positive or negative sa unahan dahil alam natin na kapag minultiply natin si positive 15 ng dalawang beses, that is positive. Kapag din minultiply natin ng dalawang beses si negative 15, still positive pa rin yung sagot. So, the geometric mean could be positive 15 or negative 15. So, tama naman tayo. Okay, then, yung ikalawang method, kukunin muna natin yung value ng r or yung common ratio using the nth term of geometric sequence which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So dahil r yung nawawala, kailangan nating mahanap yung value ng other variables. So yung ating a sub n or the last term is 75. Okay, substitute lang natin. Is equal to the first term is 3. And then r pa rin, then n is the number of terms. So, meron tayong 3 terms. So, 3 minus 1. And then, i-apply natin yung GEMDAS rule. So, unahin natin yung 3 minus 1 na exponent. That will become 2. Then, copy the rest. And then, kailangan nating matanggal si 3, yung katabi ni r squared. So, we're going to divide both sides by 3. So, 75 divided by 3 is 25, and then yung 3 over 3, that will become 1. So, ang maiiwan ay si r squared. Then, to solve for the value of r, we're going to put square root sa ating both sides of the equation. And then, maglalagay tayo dito ng positive or negative. Kasi nga, r squared. So, meaning we are expecting for two possible answers. So, square root of r squared will become r. And then, square root of 25 will become 5. So, therefore, yung common ratio natin could be positive 5 or negative 5. So, kapag ginamit natin siya dito sa given, so, yung first term ay 3. So, 3 times 5, ang sagot ay 15. Okay, kapag ginamit naman natin yung ratio na negative 5, so, 3 times negative 5, that will become negative 15. So, therefore, the geometric mean is 15. So, pwede siyang 15 or pwedeng negative 15. Next example, insert two geometric means between 7 and 1,512. So, ganito ang magiging itsura niya. 7, blank, blank, then 1,512. So, kapag dalawa na ang nawawala or higit pa, gagamitin na natin yung nth term ng geometric sequence. Kailangan muna nating mahanap yung value ni r or ng common ratio. So, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Then, dahil r ang hahanapin natin, kailangan nating mahanap yung value ni last term. And that is equal to 1,512. Then, is equal to the first term, which is 7. Then, copy r. Then, n is the number of terms. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. So, 4 minus 1. Copy lang yung 1 dito. And then, applying GEMDAS rule, i-minus muna natin yung 4 tsaka 1. So, that will become 3. Then, copy the rest. And then sunod, kailangan nating matanggal si 7, yung katabi ni r cube. So divide both sides by 7. So 1,512 divided by 7 will be 216. And then 7 over 7 will become 1. So magiging siyang 1 r cube. And para masolve natin si r, kailangan nating matanggal yung kanyang exponent na 3. So we're going to put cube root sa both sides ng ating equation. So r will become, yung 216 ay gagawin nating exponential form. Ng exponent niya dapat ay 3 para makalabas siya ng radical symbol, or kaya divisible by 3 as possible. So 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. So that is 6 cube. Therefore, ang value ng ating r ay 6. So kailangan lang natin siyang i-multiply sa first term, yung ratio natin, para makuha yung second term, or yung first geometric mean. So that is 42. Then 42 times 6 is 252. So therefore, the geometric means are 42 and 252. Huling halimbawa. Insert 3 geometric means between 6 and 96. So ganito ang magiging itsura niya. 6, then may tatlong blanks kasi nga 3 geometric means, then copy 96. So katulad kanina, hahanapin din natin yung value ni r gamit yung nth term ng geometric sequence. And then substitute yung mga variables. So a sub n, or the last term, is 96. Ito. And then the first term is 6. And then copy r. Then the number of terms. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Then copy minus 1. And then following GEMDAS rule, subtract muna natin si 5 tsaka si 1. So magiging siyang 4. Then copy the rest. And then tatanggalin natin si 6, yung katabi ni r to the 4th, by dividing both sides by 6. So we're going to have 96 divided by 6 is 16, and then canceled out 6. Then r to the 4th ang maiiwan dito sa right side ng ating equation. Then para mahanap natin yung value ni r, kailangan natin tanggalin yung exponent na 4 by adding 4th root sa both sides ng ating equation. So therefore, maka-cancelled out yung ating 4th root tsaka yung 4. So maiiwan si r. And then, dito naman sa ating left side, mag-iisip tayo ng exponential form ni 16, wherein kung possible siyang makalabas sa ating radical symbol. So alam natin ang 16 is the same as 2 to the 4th, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So maka-cancelled out din yung 4th root tsaka si 4 na exponent ni 2. So therefore, the value of r is positive and negative 2. So naglalagay ng positive and negative kapag yung exponent ay even number. Dahil possible na gamitin yung negative value at saka yung positive value. Okay. And then, dahil nakuha na natin yung value ni r, which is positive 2 or negative 2, maaari na natin kunin yung ating mga geometric means. So kapag siya ay positive 2, ang ating geometric means will be 6 times 2 is 12, then times 2 is 24, and then times 2 is 48. So, ito yung ating tatlong geometric means. Okay, pero kapag naman negative 2 ang ginamit natin, so 6 times negative 2 will be negative 12, then negative 12 times negative 2 will become positive 24, then times negative 2 will be negative 48. So, kapag ang ginamit nating value ni r ay negative, ang ating mga geometric means are negative 12, 24, and negative 48.